What loopholes exist in landlord insurance policies for tenant negotiation? Imagine trying to protect your rental property only to find gaps in your insurance that leave you exposed. Landlord insurance policies are meant to shield owners from risks, but they often have hidden loopholes. Knowing these can help landlords and tenants negotiate better lease terms and avoid surprises. One common loophole is limited coverage for damage caused directly by tenants. If a tenant intentionally vandalizes the property or causes damage beyond normal wear and tear, standard landlord insurance usually does not cover these costs. Landlords often have to rely on security deposits or legal action to recover damages. Tenants can negotiate lease clauses that specify responsibility for certain damages or requiring higher security deposits to cover potential vandalism. Another area with gaps is coverage for tenants' personal property. Landlord insurance typically excludes protection for tenants' furniture, electronics, or clothing. Tenants are expected to carry their own renter's insurance for these items. During negotiations, tenants might ask for clarity on whether the landlord's insurance covers any liability for their belongings, especially if damage occurs due to landlord negligence. Loss of rent coverage is another tricky part. Many landlord policies cover rent loss if the property becomes uninhabitable due to covered perils like fire or storms, but only for a limited time, often up to 12 months. If repairs take longer, landlords could lose income. Tenants can negotiate lease terms that specify rent payments during extended repairs or disasters, or ask for rent reductions if repairs extend beyond the covered period. Natural disasters like floods or earthquakes are often not included unless extra riders are purchased. Basic policies might exclude these perils, leaving landlords vulnerable. Tenants may negotiate clauses that address rent adjustments or liability if such events occur and the property is damaged. Damage caused by tenant negligence is another concern. If tenants fail to report leaks or maintenance issues, insurance claims might be denied. Landlords can include lease clauses requiring tenants to report problems promptly and maintain the property properly. This helps prevent disputes over insurance coverage and clarifies responsibilities. Normal wear and tear is not covered by insurance either. Faded paint, worn carpets, or aging appliances are considered part of property upkeep. Tenants and landlords should negotiate who is responsible for these minor repairs and maintenance costs outside of insurance claims. Some policies limit or exclude coverage for malicious damage. If a tenant intentionally damages the property, insurance might not cover it or only provide limited protection. Landlords should verify whether malicious damage is included and consider requiring tenants to carry renters' insurance or sign agreements that hold them responsible for such damages. Understanding these loopholes helps landlords protect their investments and negotiate lease terms that fairly distribute risks. Tenants benefit from clear responsibilities and coverage expectations, making disputes less likely. Regularly reviewing insurance policies and documenting property conditions can also prevent issues from catching either party off guard.